Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up services on Squarespace. First, log into your Squarespace account and head to the scheduling section. From there, you can easily add a brand new service or modify one you've already created. You'll want to give your service a clear name, a helpful description, and specify its duration, perhaps 30 minutes or 1 hour, to give clients a clear idea of what to expect. This is your foundational step. Next, let's talk about pricing and availability. You can set a fixed price for your service or offer different options like a package of 3 sessions. Then, it's time to define when you're available. You can block out specific days and times, ensuring clients only book when you're free. Squarespace also allows for flexible booking, letting clients schedule multiple sessions or recurring appointments with ease, saving everyone time. Now, let's personalize your service. You can create custom intake forms to collect essential client information before their appointment, making your preparation much smoother. For virtual services, easily integrate video conferencing links directly into the booking. Plus, Squarespace helps you maintain excellent communication by automatically sending out email confirmations and helpful reminders, ensuring your clients are always informed and ready for their scheduled time with you. Finally, it's time to make your services live and promote them. Once everything is set up, simply publish your services so they appear on your Squarespace website. You can embed a convenient booking block directly onto any page, making it super easy for visitors to schedule. Don't forget to share direct links to your dedicated scheduling page across your social media channels to reach a wider audience and fill up your calendar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.